waving our phone lights at a departing cruise to see if anyone waves back. A few people have spotted us. It's working.
Keep going, bro. Keep
We
going.
illuminated our room to catch more eyes.
How many is there?
There's so many on the top, on the bottom.
More and more people joined in.
Oh my god.
You can hear them all whistling and spreading the word. There are so many people waving back now.
There's so many people. This is insane.
People gathered on the top deck and in their rooms to wave back together.
So many people. This is amazing.
Shout out to the TUI Mean Shift Cruises. We will run it again next time.